A video for ICT 401-601 IT Policy and Audit. The Group Project, Project Interval 1 Overview. There are assessment documents for each project interval linked under the Group Project page and is what your group and instructor will utilize to assess the completion of the project interval itself. These assessment documents outline all deliverables you're being asked to create, start, and complete for each project interval. All of the deliverables you are being asked to complete for a particular module are described in detail in a different video that is also linked on the group project page for the example business case. This can be used as a guide for your group as you work on your project. So what's in Project Interval 1? Project Interval 1 is where your group is going to determine which company or enterprise you are going to utilize for your group project business case. There's a video available on the group project page called Selecting Your Company that will help guide your group in selecting a company, whether you select a real or fictional company or a combination of both for your group business case. This is something you will be asked to complete in Project Interval 1. You'll also be asked to create the structure of your group wiki on your SharePoint site for the group's business case. The sections you will be creating are outlined in the assessment document. You will be creating a revision history, which your group will keep up to date through your entire project. You will create a section for group learning, as throughout the project there will be group learning activities that need to be completed. You will need to complete the section for the About the Company, which includes an overview of the company and detailed information about the business, the industry the company is in, a description of all the departments within the company, as well as where the company is located, how many buildings they have, the number of employees they have, and any other information about the company. You will also complete the company's objectives, which are explanation of company goals, including what the company would like to achieve and the overall ideals of the organization. You will also complete the company's IT landscape. This section is very important to understand as it's going to drive a lot of the outcomes of your business case. This is to get an understanding of the company's hardware, software, network, storage, facilities, data backup, internal websites, external websites, transactions processed via technology, and other things that make up the company's IT landscape. You will also create the structure on your SharePoint site of the legal and regulatory impacts to the company section, the risk assessment of the company section, the business policy, process, and controls section, and the presentation section. You will also create the structure for the glossary of terms, which you should start adding to and will continue to add to throughout the project. You will also need to use the SharePoint Task app on your SharePoint site, where you will put in all the deliverables and all of the assessment documents to manage completion of these tasks via the app, and you will need to complete this with this project interval. There are several resources available to your group for this group project. The group project page is a one-stop shop where you can get an example business case that you can utilize as a guide for your business case. There are several videos about the example business case, as well as assessment documents and videos for each of the assessment documents. And there's also links to additional resources on this group project page. Your textbook readings and other media are also resources available to your group as they align very well to the project business case. You also have your group mates' knowledge. You can also do additional research, and you also have knowledge gained from the discussion boards in this course. And you can always contact your instructor if you have questions, concerns, or need clarity. What you can expect after you submit your project interval. So you will receive feedback on your interval submissions from your instructor. You will receive a pass or fail grade. If you receive a fail grade and you have made an effort for the interval, you will have the opportunity to revise, which aligns with our continuous learning and continuous improvement philosophy in this course, and resubmit to your instructor. It is your group's responsibility to communicate to your instructor if you are going to submit revisions for reassessment. If you receive a pass grade, your group should be utilizing the feedback received to continually improve your business case in preparation for the final project submission in Project Interval 7.